Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, this is JanscrazyLife, and this journal is from Suzy Q Crafts, which goes to Deb Hoyk. Here is how her channel is spelled. I will have her linked in the description box. So she sent me this cute little card. It says Happy Halloween, and inside it says beware of haunted houses and things that go bump in the night, and have yourself a thrilling, chilling, spooky Halloween fright. Jan, thank you so much for hosting the swap. It was so much fun. I appreciate you so much more than you'll ever know. You're an awesome person. Keep doing what you do, girl. Can't wait to get a book back making. This was so awesome and fun. Thank you again, Suzy. Love you. So cute. And then she said, P.S. she sent pins. So you all are getting one of these cute little Halloween pins that I'm putting in the return back. She also found this, which that's Jamie's favorite thing too, but it's so cute. It says Creep It Real. Love that. And then there's this one with the skulls. So cute. And then she sent some tissue paper to wrap it in, but we are going to get into it. So there is, she has this dangling off the side. How cute is this? It's a little skeleton. Fabric, and then has this beautiful ribbon that matches the fabric really well. And so in here, she has this beautiful paper, and it flips like this. It says this book belongs to, and you can write whatever you want, and she inked it all up. Did a bunch of inking. So it flips out like this. Cute little potion bottle with some cute little ephemera. And then it flips out, and then she's got a little tuck spot here with the paper that you can journal. Here is so cute. So she made like a belly band out of these little strings with the spider webs, and this stuff all comes out. This is a cute, cute, awesome idea. And then she has like a journaling card with a belly band that's holding these adorable tags, and then another journal card. A lot of inking. It's so funny. We were like, I could hear her inking for days and days and days. She's got this beautiful spider on a rosette. And look how pretty this is. Chunky book. So cute. So she's got a side tuck behind the spider and a tuck spot down here. There is a pocket on the side. And look how cute these are. And then there's a card to the person, which is going to be Deb. And then let's stick that on back in there. And then here she's got, oh, I love the button. She's got this beautiful Happy Halloween boo tags, and then there's a bunch of ephemera in this little. So there's like a pocket back here tuck spot, and then right here. So there's 3 spots. And then here, she's got a double tuck. So there's stuff up here. Look how pretty this tag is. You can write on the back. And then look how pretty this is. So pretty. And then she's got this beautiful envelope that she covered with this really pretty paper. And there's so much ephemera in here. How adorable. She inked up some of them. And then there is this beautiful paper. She has a paper clip holding it. Flips up, and there is a tuck here and a tuck here. And then we're going to put the paper clip back on. It's a bat. And then she's got a pocket here. And it's got this beautiful journaling card with a tab. And then there is a double belly band here. The journaling card and a tag. And here she has this beautiful tag, journaling card, and then there's some ephemera in the top tuck. Beautiful eyelash trim. Look at this, guys. So she made this page, and this page is so pretty. It is a tree with this green, and it's so shiny. It has like the wax on there. So pretty with these tags. And then she has I was remembering okay, I'm trying to make sure. There's a double spot, and then this is some paper that she put in the back. So cute. Alright. There's another pocket with all kinds of goodies. Sequins and a journaling spot. Hold on, get back in the pocket, girl. Gets in there. Alright. Put it back in there. Alright, so here is a tug spot she made out of these little beautiful hands. And then it's behind this glittery skull. And then I'm just going to tuck this on back. Here is a belly band. How pretty. You use a lot of glitter. So cute. Elijah, I'm recording a video. Okay? So then there's a paper clip up here, which is so cute. Here, so if you don't know this about Suzy, Suzy loves water. Anything to do with the water, it's her thing. And so she made like dead mermaids, and it's so adorable, and I hope the camera picks it up. But look at the shimmer and the paper that she made herself. So cute. Wouldn't be her without that. Alright, so this page, she has two bookmarks, a black and an orange, and they're glittered. This page flips up, and she's got a pocket. Nice knowing you. That's cute. She's got some journaling spots and some, are those stickers? I think it's just paper, not, nice knowing you. That's cute. Alright, let me put this back in the way she had it in here. Flip bookmarks. So then she's got a double pocket. Oh no, it's not double, it's one. With that mermaid. The dead mermaids again. And I know the camera's not showing the beautifulness of this. Alright, so check out this page. And Deb wants me to do a video, and I'm going to show her how we've been doing the flip outs. But Suzy used little rings on the edges. And then she's got these gorgeous little handles that you can open it up. So over here, there is a tuck underneath, a tuck above with this beautiful paper. I love that she put purple on it. Ephemera over here, and a bottom over here.
Is it mom and mine?
Shh. So then she's got this cute little ephemera. Spooky. This one's on with the brad.
Is it mine?
I am recording it. No, that's not yours. So then there is this tag. Nice knowing you, beware. And the tuck. I love the ribbon. Here is a belly band, and she's got these cards that look like this. Zombies. And it goes on the belly band. It says this space for rent, and there's another one behind it over here. This journal is really chunky, but it's adorable. So there is these, and as you move them, the picture changes. And there's a tuck spot. Look at this. Oh, I love how you did this. And it's perfectly squared. So then there's a tuck down here, and look how she made one of the bats pop out and put it on a, where it's dimensional. She's got this tag with a brad, and it turns. Journaling cards. Look how cute this is. It says, when witches go riding, black cats are seen. The moon laughs and whispers till 'tis near Halloween. And it flips out, and I know she left this blank because it's so gorgeous. And there is a pocket here with another little journaling card. Oh, there's another one in there too. So I might have missed some stuff in the pockets, which will be a good surprise. So here's a tuck spot, and she's got these beautiful little tags. And then there is, this one flips out, and this is a tuck. And how pretty are these? And then that goes this way. This, oh, I might have missed some up here. So some of them of the pockets are up. So Deb, remember when you're getting in here, she's got all kinds of stuff in the pockets. She's probably like, girl, how many times did I show you this and you're now figuring it out? There's all kinds of stuff in the top. So every other one goes left and right. So I'm gonna, they're beautiful journal cards, and I love the little things she put on them. Hold on, I'll show you this one. So she's got them going up and down, which I know she told me that, but when you look as many books as I look at and making, you get confused sometimes. You're like, who said that and what? Alright, so this one has a side, and there are 2 of the journal cards that she inked up. And then that's a side pocket. Here is that bat. This is so cute. So there is a place to write, and that, and it has like the foil, these bats, and then there is this. Here is a tuck spot, and then up here is a tuck spot holding a little tag. So then there's this one, and this has got, oh, and don't forget there's stuff all up in here. She's probably like, girl, I wanted you to show that. Look how she put the, can y'all see this? Look, it's on a brad, so it turns. It's a journal card. That's cute. So then there's a side. Look at that. The ant x-ray. So this says Boo, and it's got the eyes, and there is a pocket that she's covered, and then there's all kinds of ephemera and journaling cards. And then here in the back is a tuck spot with all kinds of tags and ephemera. And then it says October 31st, and there is a paper clip and a side pocket. And then of course there was a pocket up here. Oh, look. Sorry guys. I love how you put the things on a pull-out. And then we get to this page, and then look how smart this is. It flips up and says, handmade especially for you by Suzy Sherrill, Suzy Crafts on YouTube. That hand, right? So that is from Suzy, and this goes to Deb, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in.